Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. So rain that updated you today is that Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates are in a race for 12 million striker for a PSL rival. Kaizer Chiefs have been linked with Yanela Mbuthuma for several weeks, meaning he is one of Amakhosi striker targets for the next season. However, Soweto rival Orlando Pirates also wants to reshoot the Richards Bay attacker. Interestingly, the Buccaneers are posing to make any offer for Yanela Mbuthuma. There are several players that the club is looking at for next season, but the first priority is the striking department, and it's believed that they have identified Richards Bay United Yanela Mbuthuma, and the club is set to table any offer for him. The insider states on Sokaladuma. Moreover, the Buccaneers are set to overcome Amakhosi in the race for his signature. At the moment, I am not sure of how much they are offering, but they are willing to sign him, and that is why they are tabling that offer. But you know, Kaizer Chiefs are also apparently interested in the same player, and that is why Pirates are ready to table the offer and have been any advantage over their rivals, he added. Meanwhile, he won't come cheap to prospective club. This is because his currently reported transfer market value is around 12 million, 11.6 million according to the transfer. Should join the Buccaneers or Amakhosi. So if you are new here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video, and please rewrite your thoughts.